Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Chrome as your default PDF viewer. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page where you can customize how your browser behaves and interacts with different types of content. Now, on the left side of the settings page, you'll see a navigation panel with several categories. Look for and click on Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles website permissions and content types, which is exactly what we need to configure for PDF viewing. Within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find Site Settings and click on it. This area allows you to manage permissions for specific types of content and how Chrome handles them. Next, you'll need to click on Additional Content Settings. This opens up more specialized options for different file types and content formats that Chrome can handle. From here, locate and click on PDF Documents. This specific setting controls how Chrome treats PDF files when you encounter them online or try to open them from your computer. You'll now see different options for handling PDFs. Click the radio button next to open PDFs in Chrome. Selecting this option tells Chrome to use its built-in PDF viewer instead of downloading files or opening them in external programs. This makes viewing PDFs faster and more convenient since everything stays within your browser. Now we need to make Chrome your system's default PDF viewer. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, and in the search bar that appears, type Settings and click on it to open your Windows settings. On the left side of the Windows settings window, click on Apps. This section manages all application-related settings on your computer. Then click on Default Apps. This is where you can choose which programs handle different file types on your system. In the search bar at the top, type Google and click on the Google Chrome result that appears. This will show you all the file types that Chrome can handle. Scroll through the list until you find .pdf. You'll see the current default application listed below it. Click on the browser name shown below .pdf, and from the pop-up menu, select Google Chrome. Finally, click Set Default to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully configured Google Chrome as your default PDF viewer, both within the browser and across your entire system. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.